This is how to get a discount on Bluehost in April 2025. If you've been looking to save on web hosting this month, you are in luck. Bluehost is offering exclusive discounts on its hosting plan, which makes it the perfect time to launch your website, blog, or online business at a fraction of the price. With Bluehost hosting plans, you'll get everything you need to build a high-performing website, a free domain for a year, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL, and more. And they even have a one-click WordPress install. But these deals are not going to last forever, so let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how you can claim this discount before it's gone. So first off, what exactly is Bluehost? Bluehost is a top-rated web hosting provider known for its affordable pricing, reliable performance, and seamless WordPress integration. So whether you're a beginner or a more advanced website owner, Bluehost has a solution for you. It has a super strong reputation for speed, uptime, and customer support. Millions of website owners trust Bluehost to power their online presence. So to ensure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. And here you can see what you'll be able to save and what the different plans offer. So they've got the basic, the choice plus, and the e-commerce premium. And you can save up to 75% off these plans. So with the basic plan, it's just $199 per month for a 12-month term. So this is saving you 75%. With this, you get 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage, free domain for the first year. You also get security features like free SSL, and you get marketing features like pro email, free trial, and creative mail, as well as some object caching and WordPress staging site. So even in the basic plan, they offer so much great value. Next is the choice plan. With the choice plan, you can save 75% as well. And this is just $399 per month for a 12-month term. With this, you get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of storage. You get everything that's included in the basic, of course, but you get some other tools like free domain privacy for the first year and daily website backups free for the first year. Lastly is the e-commerce premium. So with this plan, you can save 54%. So that brings it to just $7.45 per month for a 12-month term. With this, you get 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of storage, ideal for 400K visits, and you get all of the e-commerce tools as well as all of the security, all of the marketing, and all of the advanced features. So this plan is also very stacked. So to get signed up, what you want to do is go ahead and click choose plan, and then you can register a domain or you can choose domain later. Okay, and then all you have to do is enter in the length of time you would like to commit to. You can also add things like the content creator solution. So if you want to get started, make sure you use that link in the description below. And these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And this just helps us to create high quality content. So if you do choose to use them, thank you so much in advance for your support. That wraps up this video. I hope this was helpful to get the best deal possible on Bluehost hosting plans. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.